guys, it's Toyo X Venture. We're here at Holcomb Valley here in Big Bear Lake. I think it's the first day of snow, snowstorm right now that's happening. You can see there's a lot of snow going on my face. We're just here for pretty much for a day. We're not going to be camping overnight, but we took both cars, the 4Runner and the Tacoma. We just wanted to see what, test these cars and see what they do in the snow. That was heavy.
So it's 28 degrees right now, and it seems like it's getting a little colder. There's been a couple of wind chills, and the snow just kind of blows all over the place. We had just made coffee. I made hot chocolate for myself and my sister. We did add a little bit of whiskey in there just to kind of warm things up. We also have the vanilla porter. Really refreshing, actually. We're all standing up because our chairs are currently filled with snow right now. I even brought the Bennig, and it seems very pointless to even bring any of these stuff because the snow just falls all over. So right now we set up our Coleman propane, and we're warming up a little bit of the water just so we could cook ramen. I'm also going to be cooking a little of the dumplings as well, and just waiting for everything to heat up.
As we were heading back on the trail, the snow started to fall even harder, and it never stopped. We were losing light, and we encountered a lot of rookie mistakes.